Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. We are going to make one of the beautiful flower. Here I am making double layer flower where bottom layer contains 7 petals, top layer contains 5 petals. Here I am taking square piece which is having the width 2 inch. The same procedure for other petals like this. Now take the needle along with thread and fold the ribbon as shown in the video and give running stitch as shown here. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments regarding this flower. Follow the same procedure for other petals. Yeah, shown here. After completion of stitching, pull the thread as shown in the video. After completion of petals gathering, give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. For better look, adjust the petal as shown here. Now bottom layer flower is ready. I am taking the round base and apply glue on it and stick it to the bottom of the flower as shown in the video. Now stick the top layer 5 petal flower to the bottom layer as shown here. Now decorate the middle of the flower with ornamental stone. Now beautiful flower is ready. If you like our video, please like it. Do subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.